Broadcasting license fee. What's that all about? Public service broadcasting offers a diversity of programs on television, on the radio, and online. You can also access all contents anytime using your laptop, tablet PC, or mobile phone. Thus, every household in Germany has to pay a broadcasting license fee to the so-called Beitragsservice. It has to be paid even if you don't own a radio or a TV. Basically, the license fee has to be paid like some kind of tax, no matter whether you use public broadcasting or not. The monthly fee is €17.50. Generally, every household has to pay the broadcasting license fee, regardless of how many people live there and whether they study or don't have a lot of money. The monthly amount is €17.50. If you share an apartment with others, only one roommate needs to register at the Beitragsservice. What if I live in a student hall of residence? Every student in a student residence has to pay the license fee as every room counts as a single household. If you don't have a single apartment but share kitchen, bathroom, and common rooms with others, you can try to register your rooms as a shared apartment. This is only possible under certain circumstances. If the registration is accepted by the Beitragsservice, only one roommate has to pay. The others pay her or him their share. This is what the ground plan of a hall of residence typically looks like. The rooms are all lined up along a hall. Kitchen, bathroom, and common rooms are separated from the bedrooms by the hall. If this is the case, every room counts as one residence, and therefore every occupant needs to pay the license fee individually. This, however, is what a typical shared apartment looks like. Usually, the common room is in the center. The positioning of bathroom and kitchen may vary. The bedrooms often have different sizes. There is no large hall separating the bedrooms from the common rooms. In this case, one resident registers the shared apartment at the Beitragsservice. The fee is divided by the number of people who are living in the household. The others also have to register and add the registration number of the person who is paying for the household. How does the registration work? The German authorities transfer the data of every new registered inhabitant automatically to the Beitragsservice. That means even if you don't open a license fee account online, you will receive a letter with a call for registration from the ARD ZDF Deutschlandradio Beitragsservice. What happens if I don't respond to the letters? Don't worry, it won't be that bad. But you have to take these letters seriously and react immediately when you receive a letter from the Beitragsservice. Don't throw away these documents and don't leave them unanswered, as you only add extra fees for the delay in paying. If you don't pay the broadcasting license fee at all, the broadcasting agency will involve customs at some point, which may cause major problems when leaving or re-entering Germany. So don't throw away any letters from the Beitragsservice, but keep them carefully. Now you know what the broadcasting license fee is about.